Alright, hello everyone. Today I will show you how to improve the speed on your Ninebot kick scooter F2 Plus. Actually, there is limitation on the European version, 25 km per hour, and in this video I will show you how to make this speed up to 32 km per hour. Plus you will have some additional features such as cruise control, and you can select the starting speed of your scooter from 0 km, 1 km per hour, and many other features. So let me show you how to do it right now. Currently I've got the J version, it's written here, and the scooter called Ninebot Kick Scooter F2 Plus. Alright, so basically here you are, you can see more functions and you can see the maximum speed. Custom speed is 25 km per hour, which is the maximum right now. So let me show you how to make it 32. So first of all, what you should do is remove your device from here, and then device, your email, so it's unbound here, so I don't have my device anymore here. Then you need to download from your Play Store, Play Market, Xiaomi app. I think it also should be available on iPhone as well, but I use it Android. So for Android, you open this one. Then you see a scooter here. You select it. Once you select it, it will ask you to press power button, which I will do right now. My bike stays near me. So I press one time power button and seems that it's activated. You see so many options here available, but the main option what we need is change scooter region. Actually you have global, European and custom serial. You can use custom serial and just change this J with S, and it will allow you to have 32 km per hour. So let's make it like this. Also you can do your presets with global, or up to you. I will use this one personally. So change it with S, press OK. It gives you some problems, not even problems, but it gives you just some revised serial number. You choose S here, you click proceed. So then you have some sound of your scooter. Actually, that's it. What you should do next, you can close this app. Then you go back to the Ninebot app, search my device. You see a device with a S here. Waiting for connection. Please start pairing. Again, you click button. Oh, the device paired successfully. Click OK. Alright, you need to bind it with your email. Done successfully. Write in safety tips. We skip it as always. Some Chinese stuff. Skip. Alright, so you see a scooter with a new with a new serial number, one letter changed, and now it's shown as Ninebot Kick Scooter F2 Pro instead of F2 Plus. And what we've got here, let's check it out. Let's open more functions. So you've got cruise mode here, so you have cruise control enabled by press indicator switch for 3 seconds. So when riding cruise mode will enable when rider presses and holds the direction indicator switch for more than 3 seconds, or by holding throttle for 5 seconds will enable the cruise mode. And you will see also some buzzer ringing for alarm beep and cruise icon lighting up. Alright, so this one is additional features that's added with the changing of your serial number. Also energy recover, it's actually the same. I use medium, usual walk mode, max speed is 5, charging limit I use 100 here, long distance or daily use. Start speed, that is quite interesting, it's not available before. You can choose from which speed you will go. So if from 0 km you need to press brake, for example if I set it like this. Adjust the motor gauge speed. When the start speed is set to less than 3 km per hour, the scooter will automatically enter park mode if there is no action for 6 seconds. Press the brake level to exit the park mode. Yes, just for your security, but I still use 3 km per hour, that is standard. Here you have kilometer per hour or mile per hour. Custom setting of sport mode. Finally we are here. So we've got 15 kilometers up to 32 kilometers. That is actually quite interesting, that it's not even 30. From 25 we reached 32. Acceleration speed, max speed, normal, or sort 1 energy saving. So finally we've got 32. You have a lock-in function, which was actually available also in Euro version, direction indicator sound, and abnormal alert. Alright, this one we keep like this. Also you've got this, honestly, keep your vehicle like traction control system, how they call it. It's like in a car, ABS actually. Keep vehicle steady on slippery road, which is also, I think, will be a useful features if you drive on your road is after the rain or after the snow, up to your usage scenario. Alright, so actually that's pretty much it for now. What you should do is just simple, just change one letter on another letter from J to S. That's it, and you unlock your 32 kilometers per hour. Just notice that battery will drain a bit faster, you will hear some noise of your engine a bit, but still you can use this option. Alright, thank you very much for watching, that's pretty much it, and see you next time.